I love the grumpiness. The tips of Sir Charles' ears.
Oh, he does have tips that flip. Is this part Maine Coon, I wonder?
I'm sorry to interrupt, Calli, but unfortunately, that was just Moco-chan's 200 sneeze.
Oh my god. 200?
I did it for the cat!
Oh my god, sneezing. Do you know?
Sneeze 200!
Oh my goodness. Ooh, 200. You've been counting how many sneezes?
The ruffians have been counting.
Dedication. Wow, you really know what you're doing.
Oh my! The beautiful thing about cat cheese is it kind of brings the cat up to your height. So that means you can go right on up to the cat and put your face right in.
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, you guys don't start sneezing because of all of the cat huffing that you do, right?
No,
Promise?
not at all. Yeah.
Gotcha.
And if I did, it wouldn't bother me.
You do it anyway, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Understandable. Understandable. Well, next up we've got this